Hello everyone, welcoming you to Sourav Sir Classes. And today we are looking at the IIT JAM 2024 Economics paper, question number 57. An economy produces a consumption good and also has a research sector which produces new idea. Time is discrete and indexed by T. The production function for the consumption good Y is AT into LYT, where YT is the amount of the consumption good, AT is the stock of existing knowledge, and YT is the amount of labor devoted to the production of the consumption good. And it is known that A naught is equals to 1. The production function for the new ideas is given by this expression. And LAT is the amount of labor devoted to the production of new ideas at time t. Suppose for all t, LAT equals to 10 and NYT equals to 90. Then the growth rate of consumption is how much? At t equals to 50 is what? So the production function for the consumption good is YT is equals to AT into LYT. LYT is 90 at all t. So in order to find out the growth rate for the consumption, take log, which is log 90 plus log 80, and then differentiate this. So that is yt dot by yt is equals to at dot by 80. So that means what we can see, that the growth rate of output only depends upon the growth rate of technology. Okay, and if you look at the production function of new ideas, AT plus 1 minus AT is 1 by 250 AT LAT. So AT plus 1 minus AT divided by AT, LAT is 10, so 10 by 250. The numerator is change in the new level of new ideas, so that is AT dot divided by AT is 10 by 250, that is 1 by 25. So that means what would be y dot by y? This would be 1 by 25. So if you multiply by 100, that gives you your answer as 4%. And the question that we are asked is the growth rate of the consumption good. So that is typically yt dot by yt. So the answer is 4% for this question. Thank you.